Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Gmail in Instagram. So guys, let's continue into your Instagram. Now go to your profile and then tap on the three lines in the right side of corner. Tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on account center. Now tap on personal details. Now tap on contact info. And then just tap on add new contact. Now you have to select add email. And guys, now you have to enter here the email that you want to add. And guys, after entering your email, just select your Insta account and then just tap on next. And then a code will be sent to the email you provided and you have to enter it here. And after entering, just tap on next. So guys, as you can see, you have added your email to the account selected. And that's how you can add your Gmail in Instagram very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.